Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions tutorial video. In this video I'll show you how to connect to your Azure DB via Microsoft Access. First of all, you'll need to create an ODBC connection, and if not already you'll need to install the ODBC driver for Microsoft SQL, which is on the Microsoft website. So click on the Start menu, type in ODBC and open the ODBC data sources 32-bit version, not the 64-bit version. In here click Add. Then from the driver list, select the ODBC driver for SQL Server, click Finish, then give it a name, Facts and Dims for example. Then the server is Facts and Dimensions.database.windows.net. Click Next, change it to SQL Server Authentication, put your username in and your password that you were given in training. Next, change the default database. Your database is called your username followed by by userdb. So like this. Then click Next, then Finish, then Test Data Source, and it should hopefully say Test completed successfully. Now, if it says Test failed, it could be because you typed something in wrong. I'm fairly sure, but not completely sure but I'm pretty sure that there's been times where everything's been typed in correctly, and it's just by trying it a second time it works. I don't know quite about that, but it's worth trying a second time. Also, you might have an IP address that you need to supply to us that needs whitelisting. See lesson 1 about connection issues, and also about firewall settings that you may need to change your end. Click OK, click OK, click OK. Now let's go into Access. Create a new database. Click on External Data, New Data Source, from Database, either one of these, from Azure Database. Click Link to the data source, click OK. Choose that one that you just made, Facts and Dims. Then copy your password in again. Click OK. Then click Save Password, but also in your Access database, add a password to the actual database itself, because this password is easy to crack in Access databases. And then pick your table, click OK, click Save Password again, and that's it. Thank you.